In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pixel code to Shopify manually, a crucial step for tracking and optimizing your online store's performance. So, let's get started. First, you need to log into your Shopify account. Once you've done that, locate the Online Store section on your admin panel. This is your go-to spot for customizing anything store-related. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Themes. This will display all the themes currently associated with your store. Next, you'll see your active theme listed at the top. This is the theme that customers see when they visit your store. Right next to it, there's a handy button labeled Actions. Click it. A menu will appear, and from here, you'll want to choose Edit Code. This will take you into the backend of your store, where all the theme's code is hosted. Now, on the left side of this page, you'll see a list of different files organized by folders. What you're looking for specifically is the Layout folder. Click to expand it. Within this folder, find the theme.liquid file and click on it. This file is responsible for the global layout settings of your store. Before making any changes, it's always a good idea to create a backup copy of your current code. You can do this by copying everything in the theme liquid file and pasting it into a separate document on your computer. This step ensures that if anything goes wrong, you can easily revert back to your original code. With your backup saved, you can now safely make changes. Scroll through the theme.liquid file and look for the closing head tag. It might take a little searching, but it's an important reference point for where you'll insert your new code. Once you've found the head tag, you'll want to click just before it to insert your cursor. Now, paste your pixel code right here. This placement ensures that every page of your store will load with the pixel code properly, enabling you to track essential customer interactions across your site. After you've pasted the code, don't forget this crucial step. Click Save in the top right corner of the screen. Saving commits your changes to the site's code. To ensure everything is working properly, I recommend visiting your store's homepage in a new browser tab. With the page open, use your browser's developer tools to check that the pixel code is present. You should see it listed if everything was added correctly. And that's it. By having the pixel code successfully embedded, your Shopify store is now set up to capture invaluable data about your customers' behavior. This step is essential for making data-driven decisions that can streamline marketing efforts and boost your store's overall performance. If you have any questions or run into trouble, remember, you can always refer back to your backup file. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.